In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos in Lovable. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Lovable's website. It's a sleek, user-friendly platform, so you should have no trouble finding your way around. Once you're there, locate the Login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will prompt you to sign in using your credentials. Next, you'll want to click Continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to log in, especially if you already use Google accounts for your various online services. Once you do that, a window will pop up asking you to choose your Google account. Simply click on your account to proceed. Now you'll see a Continue button. Go ahead and click on that. This will complete the login process and land you on your Lovable dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, essentially where all the magic happens. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Alright, it's time to get down to business and attach your video. On your dashboard, you'll notice an Attach button. Click on it. This will open up a menu where you can start adding your files. From this menu, select Add Files. It's now time to choose the video file you want to upload. Navigate through your folders, select your video, and upload it. Remember, the platform supports various video formats, but it's always a good idea to cross-check the supported formats list to ensure smooth uploads. While your video is uploading, you'll notice a prompt area. This section lets you enter additional information or descriptive prompts about your video. Be mindful to add concise and accurate information. It enhances the description and makes your video more accessible to others. A quick tip here, if your video file is large or you're on a slower internet connection, this part might take a little longer. Patience is key, and it's well worth it once the upload is successfully completed. Keep an eye on the progress bar to see how far along the upload process is. Once your video is uploaded and the prompt is added, review everything to ensure it looks spot on. If everything checks out, your video is now successfully added to Lovable. You might want to preview it just to be certain it appears as intended. And there you have it, your video is live and ready for anyone you choose to share it with. Uploading videos on Lovable has never been easier or more straightforward. Hopefully this guide helps you navigate this process seamlessly, leaving you more time to focus on creating great content.